Let me just give you one of these.
Okay, but you can go through. Thank you so much. No, you've got your badge already, so that's...
Our opening ceremony and welcome. The username and the password there. We have it as well. I'd like to open the conference and start with Wajara, Rector of Telkom University. We truly appreciate how busy you are.
Under the spirit of collaboration, this conference should be utilized as a place to share best practice in spectrum management. Among the many new wireless technology providers, consultants, regulators, and operators. In this conference, Indonesia priority agenda is to exchange views and discuss various challenges and experience in spectrum management, including spectrum licensing, auction, and spectrum pricing. Let this conference be the groundwork we lay the foundation for a future where technology is accessible to everyone, enhancing life and empowering communities across the globe.